Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you Google Ads headline and description, or what is Google Ads headline and description and how we can use it. So first we see an example. Here you can see an example of Google ad, and here you see this is a headline and this item or this part is description. So if we see from this here, look, this is a Google ad. You can find it from here, from the sponsored text or sponsored icon, and this is headline and this is description. In Google Ads, headline and description is very important because when a user search anything on Google, firstly they see our headline and description. Okay, without a catchy headline and description, searchers are likely to ignore your ad even it ranks well. Your ad copy must align with your keyword, address the reader's concern, and give them the necessary information in only a few words. It's always a good idea to include the keyword in the heading so the searcher immediately knows that you can provide what they are looking for. The description must address their needs or a question clearly and concisely without a sounding too clickbaitly. Having a captivating headline and description will make your ad stand out and make it perform well over time, even if your bid is lower than that of your other competitors. So that's why headline and description is very important. So this is the headline and this is the description. Next, we learn about ad extension. So which is ad extensions? In a ad we can see services offered, about us, contact us, our services, and if you find other Google ad we can see another extension, ad extension. That means here personal training. This is the ad extension. Okay, so what is ad extensions? Ad extensions are a great way to give additional information to your potential customer and thus entice them to click your ad instead of your competitor's ad. That means when we see these types of extensions or item, and here you can see that here is a link between these. So if we click here, we land on a particular page or particular different page. So that is very important and to reach your targeted customer or audience. Okay, there are a few types of ad extensions you can choose from: site linking extensions, location extensions, offer extensions, call extensions, app extensions, etc. Site link extensions allow you to extend the ad and show additional links to your potential customer. For example, you can say you can add links to certain sections of your shop, which reduce the time of customers have to spend browsing your website and allow them to jump straight to what they are interested in. Here, this is the site extensions. Okay, this is a full copy of Google ad which appear in your customer. Okay, so this is site extensions. A location extension works really well with search terms ending in near me, and it allows you to add your address and phone number to the ad. So look, here is the address. Okay, next, offer extensions we can say allow you to highlight special offers in your ads. Special offer are allowing enticing for customers. They make the ad more effective, etc. Okay, so here is other extensions, and there is another extension. Okay, call extension, and then app extension. Look, here is app extension. If we run ad for an app, then we can use app extension. Okay, so that's all in our today's video. In next video we learn about Google Ads retargeting.